Hello dear students, welcome to my video lecture on active and passive voice. So in my last video lecture, we have discussed the passive voice in simple present tense. So now let us study about simple past tense. So passive voice for simple past tense. Passive voice for simple past tense. So before to solve some examples and understand, let us see what the rule says. So the rule is object plus was, bar, where, what, was, bar, where, plus third form of the verb plus by and subject. So the rule is object plus was, bar, where, plus third form of the word plus by plus subject. So see some examples. They sold books. So let us take the previous examples to make it understand in better way. They sold books. So this sentence is in simple past. Now let us identify the structure. They is the subject, sold is the verb, books is the object. So put this sentence into this rule. That is, object comes first, that is books. Books. Books is the plural form. So books were. Books were. Then the third form, books were sold. Plus here by, books were sold by, they changes into them. Books were sold by them. Then the next example, he bought a car. He bought a car. So here he is the subject, bought is the main verb, car is the object. So let us solve this sentence in passive voice. Object comes first, that is a car. A car, then helping verb, a car was. A car, because car is a singular. A car was. Then the third form of the verb, that is bought. A car was bought, preposition by, whom? By him. He changes into him. A car was bought by him. Next example, he listened the music. He listened the music. He listened the music. So identifying this sentence structure is very important here. So let us identify. He is the subject, listen is the verb, music is the object. So let's solve. Object becomes the first priority, the music, then the helping verb was or were. The music was, third form of the verb, listen. The music was listened, then by, he becomes him. The music was listened by him. So this is about the sentences in simple past tense. Now let us see another tense, that is past continuous. passive voice for simple past continuous. Now let us see the rule. Object plus was bar were plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. So this is the formula to solve the passive voice in past continuous tense. Now let us see some examples. She was preparing a tea. She was preparing a tea. So this sentence is in past continuous. Now let us identify the sentence structure. Subject, this is the helping verb, the main verb, and this is the object. So object comes first. A tea was being plus third form of the preparing, that is verb, prepared plus by plus subject, that is she changes into her. A tea was being prepared by her. The second example, she was baking a cake. Baking a cake. She is the subject, helping verb, main verb, and this is the object. Now let us solve. Take the object first. A cake was, it's a singular, cake is a singular. A cake was being baked by her. A cake is being baked by her. Now the next example. Parents were scolding him. Parents were scolding him. So parents is the subject, helping verb, main verb, and this is the object. So object becomes the subject in passive voice. So here him becomes he. He is the singular. He was plus being, he was being, scolding becomes the third form, scolded. He was being scolded plus by whom? Parents. He was being scolded by parents. So these are the some examples of how to convert passive voice in simple past continuous tense. Now let's move to the another tense, that is past perfect tense. Past passive voice for past perfect tense. So initially let us see what rule says. So the rule is object plus had plus been plus third form of the verb plus by preposition plus subject. So this is the rule. Now let us see examples. They had celebrated a birthday party. They had celebrated a birthday party. So let us identify the sentence structure. They is the subject, celebrated is the main verb, birthday party is the object. So in passive voice, this object becomes subject. A birthday party. Let us put this sentence in this rule. First object, that is a birthday party, had plus been, had been, the third form of the verb, that is celebrated, plus by, they changes into them. A birthday party had been celebrated by them. Now let us see the second example. She had watched a film. She had watched a film. She had watched a film. She is the subject, helping verb, main verb. A film is the object. Object becomes subject in passive voice, as you know. A film had been. Film had been watched by her. A film is the object. This is had been. These are the helping verbs. Watched is the third form of the verb, plus by, then the subject, that is her. Next example. He had cleaned the room. She had cleaned the room. He is the subject, helping verb. Clean is the verb, main verb. The room is the object. Now put this into the rule. The room had plus been, third form, the clean plus by, he becomes him. The room had been cleaned by him. So this is how you need to solve the passive voices in past perfect tense. Now there is a small instruction. There is no voices in past perfect continuous tenses in English language. Once again I will repeat. There is no past perfect continuous passive voice in English sentences.